Recently, Pakistan and China have decided to welcome any third country to join the multi-billion dollar China-Pakistan economic corridor for mutual beneficial cooperation. Now, let's first understand what China-Pakistan economic corridor is and why India slammed this move of China-Pakistan economic corridor expansion. So, CPEC refers to China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which started in 2013, is a collection of infrastructure projects that are under construction throughout Pakistan. Originally, the project was valued at $47 billion, but as of today, it has crossed more than $62 billion worth. For Pakistan, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is a very big source of economic stability, especially during the time when it is suffering from economic collapse. This corridor provides Pakistan with required infrastructure by construction of modern transport network as well as energy projects and special economic zones. Hence, we can understand that Pakistan is very keen on keep on developing the China-Pakistan economic corridor. Now, let's come to our second aspect. That is, why India is so much critical of CPEC. So, let's delve deeper into it. See, India has repeatedly registered its protest over the CPEC, saying that it is in violation of its sovereignty as it passes through the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, the famous POK region, which is an Indian territory illegally occupied by Pakistan. That's why India has always protested against it, and China and Pakistan had always ignored India's issues. Now, let's understand what made China so interested in expanding it with inviting new countries. So, let's look at briefly. CPEC is China's one of the most ambitious project of the Belt and Road Initiative. So, definite thing is that China wants its success. But due to the recent political turmoil in the Pakistan, as well as there were several attack incidents on Chinese personals living in Pakistan, further the protests are increasing in Balochistan. All these things are making China anxious. Thus, now it is becoming important for China to include more countries to strengthen its project. Now we have understood about China, but will any country go against India? If we see today, India has a very high global standing, plus the image that India has developed over time, there is very bleak possibility that any country would go against India's interests. This is the first thing. Second thing, Taliban expansion could lead to Afghanistan joining it. But that is also not sure because the first issue is of Taliban. There is a rift between Taliban and the Pakistan. So this makes it tough for Afghanistan to come together with Pakistan. And also Taliban is looking for a peaceful relationship with India. So here there is very less chance of Afghanistan's involvement in this project. Third thing is the pressure from USA. The pressure from USA would also be a concern for countries who are wishing to join the CPEC, as joining CPEC is not just making relations soar with India, but also with USA and major countries from Europe. So there is very highly less chance or say bleak possibility that any country could come and join this project. So for now, this is all from my side. Let's wait till the further updates. So now, if you like the video, kindly share and like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.